Hello everyone, this is Dr. Jati from the ASE in the Pathway of Education. I am back again with a new video, and I have promised you all that I will bring a video on this chemical reactions and equations on the topic balancing equations. And sorry for posting this video little late, as I was out of the station for a short span of time. So I'm extremely sorry, but yes, I'm again back to the business. So today's video will be on the topic balancing equations. Here in this video I will be discussing, or I will be more clearly I will be clarifying how to balance the equations, because balancing equations is one of the most coverable part of this chapter, from where such equations may come and can ask you to balance those equations. So this is one of the most important part of the chapter. So I think you should be ready with this part. So this can help you in your exam, and surely this balancing equations will come in your exam. They will give one or two equations to you, and they will ask you to balance. They will ask you to check whether the numbers of reactants are equal to the number of products. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so the first equation is going to be our Cu plus O2. Cu, you know, that is copper, and O2 is oxygen. Is it balanced? No. Is it not balanced? Is it balanced? Cu is there 1, 1, 1. Okay. O2, that is oxygen, is 2, but here it is 1. So what we have to do? We have to put just one number 2 over here, so it makes the O, that means oxygen 2, so it matches with here. But as oxygen is becoming 2 in the product side, as well as copper is also becoming Cu, so we have to put another more 2 over in 2 in the reactant side. So now is it balanced? Yes, is it balanced? 2 Cu, 2 C, O2, 2O, copper 2, oxygen 2. So it is balanced. So our second equation gonna be C plus O2, CO2, that is carbon plus oxygen, carbon dioxide. C plus O2, CO2. Is it balanced? Everyone try. Pause the video and let me know in the comment section that is it balanced or not. Yes, it is already balanced. So in many cases also such equations can be given to you. Is it balanced or not? So if it is, you have to first read the equations or the questions very carefully. So in this equation it is already balanced, so you have to just simply write yes, this equation is balanced. Copper, that is 1, 1. In the reactant side, oxygen is 2, oxygen is also 2. Yeah, it is already balanced. C plus O2 equals to CO2. It's very simple. Okay. Hydrogen, that is H2 plus O2 equals to H2O. Is it balanced? No. Is it not balanced? In the reactant side, yes, hydrogen is 2. In the product side, it is also 2. But in the oxygen, here it is 1. In the product side, it is 1. But in the reactant side, it is 2. It is not balanced. So we have to just simply write another 1, 2 over here. So it becoming oxygen is becoming 2. Oxygen is there 2 in the reactant side. But the hydrogen is becoming 4. 2 into 2, 4. So here it is already 2. We have to do another 2. So we have to do this. We have to just simply put 2 before H2 in the reactant side, so it is becoming 4, hydrogen 4, oxygen 2, oxygen 2. So our fourth one is going to be Al plus O2, that is aluminium plus oxygen is becoming Al2O3, aluminium oxide. Aluminium plus oxygen equals to aluminium oxide. Is it balanced? No, it is not balanced. So here for this equation, as this is a little lengthier, so we have to do this, we have to balance this equation in stepwise. Okay, we can't just put the numbers in this equation on. We have to do step by step. First, here it is 2. We will put a 2 plus O2 Al2O3. Okay, oxygen is 3, but here it is 2. We have to just put 3 over here, so it is becoming 3 into 2, 6, but here it is 3. So what we have to do over here, for transferring oxygen from 3 to 6, we have to just put 2 over here, so it is becoming 6. So it is becoming 6. Here it is also 6. But oxygen is aluminium is becoming 4. Here we have written 2. 4 Al plus 3 O2 Al2O3. Now it is balanced. Aluminium 4, aluminium 2 into 2, 4. Oxygen 3 into 2, 6. Oxygen 2 into 3, 6. Now it is balanced. Okay, I have okay. Now the fifth one, Fe2O3 plus C, that is Fe2O3 means ferric oxide. Ferric oxide as O equals to 3. Okay, if this is Fe 2FeO or FeO, that will be ferrous oxide, but as oxygen is 3, so it will be ferric oxide. It is already given in your NCERT book. Fe2O3 plus C equals to Fe. It is simply a displacement reaction, as I have told in the lecture video of this chapter. What happens in the displacement reaction? If this is not clear to you, what is displacement, what is double displacement, please visit my channel and see the previous video. I have already uploaded the video on lecture video on this chapter. So here it is. If Fe is getting separated, that is iron plus CO2, that is carbon dioxide. It is extracted. Iron is extracted from this reaction, and carbon dioxide gas is evolving from this reaction. Is it balanced? Fe is 2, Fe is 1. O equals to, that is oxygen is 3, oxygen is 2. Carbon is 1, 1. Okay. We have to put just, okay, Fe2O3 plus, okay, I am suggesting you everyone, okay, this you can apply or not apply, this is your choice. This is for the betterment or the extra help you can do. First you will write this reaction D2, but you will keep some spaces before the products, okay, means the elements. That is, I have put get a gap, little gap between Fe2O3 here. The number I will write here. Fe plus CO2. Now you can balance it very easily. Fe equals to 2, Fe equals to 1. So we will put 2 over here, 2, 2. So now oxygen is 3, but oxygen is 2 over here. So what we have to do, we have to put just 2 over here, Oxygen is becoming what? Oxygen is becoming 6. 2 into 3 6. Now we have to put a 3. 3 into 2 6. Carbon is becoming what? 3. Carbon 1. So we have to put a 3. It is balanced. Is it? No. Because here it is iron is becoming 2 into 2 4. But we have written 2. So when you will do step by step, this numbers may change. This numbers may change. As we are going step by step, in the previous step iron was 2, iron was 2. As for balancing the oxygen, I have put 3 over here. I have to put 2. In the last step, iron in the reactant side is becoming 4. 2 into 2 4. So what we will do, we will just rub this and we will put 4. This is very easy. This is very simple, and I will say this is one of the easiest part you will be facing in chemistry. Okay, so as we all know that in every subject the first chapter is always easy. So like this only. In chemistry this chapter is very much easy. In the NCERT book also it is very small chapter. But we have to be very careful about balancing redox reactions. We have to see very carefully. We have to read the questions. And for scoring good marks in boards or in the examination, one thing we have to do is we have to read the NCERT very thoroughly. We will not leave a single line of that NCERT book, because whatever the question will be coming in your examination, that will be from your NCERT book. Nothing will be outside from your NCERT book. If you read the NCERT book thoroughly, I will guarantee, I am 100% sure you will be able to score 100 upon 100. At least you can try. I am not telling that yes you will get 100 upon 100, but yes you can try. You will be scoring 90%, and that's up to you how much level you will go. Okay. How? Okay. The number 6. Okay. So the fifth one is NaOH. Na means sodium. OH means hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide plus aluminium oxide equals to, it is becoming sodium aluminate. So there are 3 elements in a, 3 compounds in an element, that is Na, Al and O2. Sodium, aluminium and oxygen. So it is becoming sodium aluminate plus hydrogen plus water is water. So this reaction is releasing water. Okay. First we will see sodium. Okay, first, as I have shown in this reaction, first we will write the compounds little spacefully. Okay. So what? Na. Okay, we will show in this one. Sodium 1, sodium 1. Sodium is balanced. Oxygen, how many is there? 3 plus 1, 4. 3 plus 1, 4. Oxygen, how many there? 2 plus 1, 3. We will put 2 over here and also over here. So as putting 2, making the sodium present in 2 elements, we have to also put this to balance the sodium. 2Na, 2Na. Oxygen, now we will see how many is there. 2 plus 3, 5. Oxygen 2 plus 2 into 2 equals to 4 plus 1, 5. 5, 5. Now we will see aluminium. Aluminium is 2. Aluminium is also 2. Okay. As we have balanced the sodium, aluminium is also balanced. Aluminium is also balanced. So So as the reason behind telling this one of the easiest part of this chapter, because we don't have to work so hard. If we in many cases, I will not say in every cases this will happen, but in many cases, as we are balancing the another one is also automatically getting balanced. This is the simple one. Just you have to read very carefully. Just you have to think about it. Then you can always do. Then you can do this. Aluminium 2, aluminium 2. Okay, hydrogen, how many is there? 2. Hydrogen is 2. Yeah, this equation is balanced. Now so our next equation going to be HCl, that is hydrochloric acid, plus Al2O3 aluminium oxide is becoming AlCl3, that is aluminium chloride, plus H2O, that is water. Okay, before simplifying all these equations, from the next step we have to put the implied sign. Okay, these are some of the minute things we have to keep this in our mind. The examiner will also feel that okay, he or she has done this work very neatly, so the impression is going to be changed, right? We have to first correct the impression, because no one is going to be read your answer thoroughly. We have to try that, what to say. Obviously in the 5 marks you have to briefly discuss the answer, but in the 2 and 3 marks we have to we will try to present our answer in at least in one line, and the next some lines will be the explanation part. So by reading the first line only, the examiner will feel that okay, he knows the answer. We have to see the mentality, we have to understand it. Okay. Hydrogen is 1, hydrogen is 2. Simply we will write over here. Chlorine is 2. Okay, we will come in the chlorine part in the next step. Hydrogen 2, hydrogen 2. Oxygen, oxygen 3. Oxygen is 3. Okay. Al2, that is aluminium 2. Sorry, here in the is aluminium is 2, aluminium is 1. So we will put 2. Now we will see chlorine is becoming 3 into 2, 6. We have just put this in 2. So in the next step, as we have seen, this is blank totally. So in the next step also we can just clarify this. There will also nothing in this step also for this Al2O3, that is aluminium oxide. So we will not leave a space for this. Al2O3 AlCl3 plus 3H2. What we will do over here, we will just put simply a 6 over here. Simply a 6. We don't have to work very hard. Hydrogen 6, hydrogen 2 into 3, 6. Chlorine 6, chlorine 3 into 2, 6. Aluminium 2, aluminium 2. Oxygen 3, oxygen 3. बस इतना ही तो है. 6HCl plus Al2O3, 2AlCl3 plus 3H2O. Now you see, we have started this video or this thing with just a simple equation. What was that equation? Cu plus O2, that involves just two reactants and one product, Cu plus O2, and time by time where we have reached in the double displacement we have reached from the combination reaction. So by practicing you will get this more easier. Okay, so you have to practice this. I will surely upload more more equations or the notes of this chapter in my YouTube channel. You can just click the link on those PDFs or the pictures, and you can just note it down. You can just practice, because in this chapter, in the first chapter of this chemistry, chemical reactions and equation, you have to read the definitions. There are so many definitions in this chapter. You have to obviously you have to learn those definitions, and the thing you have to practice is the balancing chemical equations. Balancing chemical equations is the only thing which you have to practice, not memorize. You have to just memorize some of the definitions of this chapters involved in this. Okay, just as what is decomposition reaction, combination reaction, and many more. Okay, I will upload all those things. I have also written some definitions in the lecture video also. You can note down those also. But for the practicing, I will upload more chemical equations in my YouTube channel. So from there you can practice, so that you get used to with this. So that you don't have to think, or you don't have to take much time in the examination hall. Okay. I hope this gets clear to you. This is the reason I didn't make such a clarification video or the clarification part on lecture video, because practice wala things such as balancing chemical equation needs to be a live video, needs to be done on the board. Means what to say, we have to write all this, we have to practice. We can't understand, we can't memorize, we can't revise all these things by just reading. There are some of the things in mathematics is fully this. Okay, so in science also, as we are growing, we will get so many parts of this science where we have to practice, because it's not just bounded now with some definitions and all. Okay, now some equations are also getting involved in science. So there are so many things we have to practice. So that's the reason I have made a separate video on this topic, where I have just written on this boards and clarified to you. I hope this portion gets clear to you, and if more problem arises, if queries arises, you can let me know in the comment section. Okay, so I hope I am able to clarify this portion to you, and if not, I am telling again, if not, then you can let me know in the comment section. I will surely again make a video. On this topic on this topic, so that it gets clear to you. So I hope you all have liked this video. If you have liked this video, please like and subscribe my channel. Please share these videos with your friends who are also reading in the class 10. Of course, where you guys have problem, please comment me in the comment section. I will surely try to more clarify this. Till now, bye bye, and I will again back with the physics video, the next chapter of physics. What was that? Let me see. What was the next physics chapter? Okay, light reflection and refraction. The next or the first chapter of physics is light reflection and refraction. Again, I will be back with that topic, with the physics part, because till now we have covered the first chapter of chemistry and the first chapter of biology. So the next physics is left. So we will be starting with the first chapter of physics in the next video. Till now, take care of yourself. Bye.